Loosely draw the outline and suggest the simple planes of the face and neck. Once you're happy with it, lower the opacity of the first layer and lock it. Create a new layer on top and switch to a thicker brush. I recommend going from an HB to a 6B pencil. Now trace the drawing but make it cleaner this time. Add in the necessary features. Take the middle shade of the skin and fill in the entire neck and face. Do the same with the middle tone for the hair. Color the whole thing. Repeat for the lips, eyebrows, and clothes. Decide which parts are darker and start adding those darker tones. Do the same for the lighter areas. Create and apply your lighter tones. Keep rendering and adding details until you're satisfied. Personally, I like to keep the strokes visible to mimic a painterly style. Using a medium blend brush and Procreate, feel free to blur out anything that needs softening. I didn't get to record the whole process, but you can watch the summary from Procreate.